a ride.
Windows down, we're singing, feeling oh so free. In our school bus adventure, just my friends and me.
Fields of green are dancing, flowers in a row. Every twist and turn, there's magic in the flow.
Counting all the clouds, we're painting skies so blue. With every joyful song, we're making dreams come true.
Bouncing to the rhythm, the wheels go round and round, sharing all our secrets in this happy sound.
The world outside is spinning, but we're lost in our play. In this little bus of laughter, we could drive all day.
As the day is fading, stars begin to gleam. We'll hold on to this moment like a sweet, sweet dream.